Hey there guys, Misty here from TheJollyFatElf. Welcome back to another week of cards. This week I will be doing my 10 cards one kit featuring the April paper pumpkin. So today will be the unboxing. The next 2 days will be 5 cards each. And then Friday will be a bonus 3D item, which I haven't decided what will be, but we will get there. So let's unbox this. This is so cute. It is going to be a little bit difficult for me though, I can promise you. So if you're unfamiliar with Paper Pumpkin is a monthly subscription box from Stampin' Up. I believe it's right around $20 and you get one every month. It comes with an exclusive ink and a stamp set and all the supplies that you need to make whatever project that they are showcasing, including adhesive. When you order your very first box, you even get an acrylic block. So if you're brand new to crafting, you've been wanting to give it a try, but don't want to spend a whole lot of money, Paper Pumpkin is the way to go. And if you've never never signed up before, right now you can get 50% off your first 2 months by signing up down below. So here we go. I'm a little sad that Island Indigo is retiring, but that's our ink spot. And then here is our stamp set. So it's most definitely nautical themed. Let's see if I can find a piece of paper. It says, "You are my anchor, for you, ahoy, congratulations, you're a lifesaver, adventure awaits, thanks." And then you get like some cloud, no, those are birds. You get an anchor, a big anchor, a lighthouse, a wheel, a starfish, a little boat, a heart. And yeah, so that's really cute. I really love this font. So cute. And then let's see what the projects are. I've already seen this and I think it's adorable. So this is a combination 3D and card kit because you make mini cards and then you also get to make little gift boxes for the cards. Pull everything out. So here is some of the adhesive. These are glue dots. Each month you get a set of instructions that walks you through step by step. And one thing that I noticed when they showed it this month is that they include a little ruler because they give you measurements for how much twine you're going to need to use. So they've included a little ruler at the bottom. I don't know if they've done that before. It's not something I've noticed, but I think that's really awesome. So you can see you get step-by-step instructions how to make each card set. Really cute. I think the color, yeah, Calypso Coral, Island Indigo, and Pool Party. Love, love, love. So you get some tags, some circle tags, you get some heart, some just some rectangles, circles, and banners. It looks like there's 1, 2, 3, 4 sheets. Yeah, I think 4 sheets of those. Then you get some anchors, a lighthouse, and then are these lifesavers? Is that why the candy's called a lifesaver? Oh gosh, speaking of lifesavers, you guys remember those creamy lifesaver suckers? Why don't they make those anymore? And how come I can't find them in sugar-free? So you get 2 of those. Get some mini Stampin' Dimensionals. You get some really thick twine. You get envelopes. Look at these cute little envelopes. These are really sturdy too. So these will make 3 by 3. So you get those, and you get those. You get the most of the Pool Party, it looks like. Maybe not. I don't know. Maybe all the same. You get these. You get some card bases already made and ready to go. Oh no, these are the, let me shut up. These are the, okay, so these are the sleeves that fit the card boxes. Then you get some card layers. I love this stripe, so pretty. Then there's this one. So the front and the back are decorated. There's these coral ones. The Island Indigo with the little anchors. And then these, which are really, really cool. So yeah, so I have my work cut out for me. So if you're interested to see how I turn this kit into 10 individual cards, make sure you hit the subscribe button, like this video, leave me a comment down below, hit the bell, all those things. And I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye for now.